I love dinosaurs. So the moment that I got this art commission, I was screaming inside. I was jumping. I was dancing. I was doing anything a crazy dinosaur lover could do, like and start becoming a dinosaur. That's right. So in this art commission process, I'm going to talk with you champs about how to make crazy ambient light and crazy detailing, cause yes, already going into the right point, already getting you into the spicy stuff, into the tea. I did scale by scale. There was no, I can't skip that. There was no, and there's none. I did one by one. I wanted that suffering. I felt happy doing that. And already giving us a spoiler, no, it was not crazy hardcore, especially because I have been doing this for too many years to be that hardcore. So how have I done it? The number one step is to focus into light and shadows. I have started to paint even more in black and white since I got into following a little bit more, like a lot more, how Dave Raposa paints. That dude paints incredible. His art is amazing. Love him. So I was like, why not use a little bit of those new techniques that I'm learning into my paintings? And that's what I did. Since this is a rock concert, so different lights, so many different lights happening in the upper area, in the middle area, in the lower area, from one corner to another corner, and all of them are reflecting. Like, bro, all of them are reflecting. How are we gonna choose that? So the first thing was making everything black and white and not letting colors get up into my head and tell me, no, this way, no, this other way. I just did the very basic, which was, haha, cool dinosaur, cause a lot of attention, while the crowd in the lower area, very close to us, in the background, the rest of the band, haha, nailed that. Yeah, but how would I make more process after this? I started adding colors. My main desire, my main objective was like, hey, I love a lot complementary schemes. If that's a green Tyrannosaur, a T-Rex green, the background's going to be red. Haha, so easy, haha. Well, if you saw the final version, you can see it didn't turn out that way. It truly did not turn out that way. So how did I make the process of choosing all of those colors, which may seem so hard and you may feel overwhelmed? But there is a way, and I want to show you that if you feel overwhelmed in the middle of your art process, that's completely fine. That's okay. It's part of you trying to find what is the right composition, what is the right colors, what are the right tones, the right placements. I never get everything from the first go, and I want you to feel that as, hey, GabyT is telling me that it's completely normal to not get it the first, second, third, fourth time. Because I don't get it the first or second or third time. It's part of trying to find the piece, the artistic piece that you want in the middle of a blank canvas, a completely white canvas with nothing. Have you ever thought in that way? How hard it is what we do. We literally turn a pure white canvas into a crazy idea. Like there is nothing holding us other than ourselves. So the main thing that I want to talk with you champs about getting those colors, those juicy, nice, warm and cold colors are, try it out. In the middle, I was thinking, hey, green and red, heck yeah. But then I was like, why not blue? Why not blue? And then, why not orange? And at the very end, why not yellow? Why not make a full party of colors in this dinosaur? What can go wrong? Let's try. We gotta be open into trying and to going, oh, okay, I will do a mistake. I am aware that I'm going to do a mistake, but instead of going crazy into judging mode, I'm just going into, oh, okay, but it is just a trial. I'm not going hard on myself because I understand this is only a trial. And by the way, once I got the stuff, hey, I want the lower area of the piece to be warm and the upper area of the piece to be cooler, to be cold tones, I started detailing. And the best thing is, I have already drawn this T-Rex before. So what I did, that's right, I picked it up, the icon that I did, and then I pasted in the face and I changed a few stuff that I needed to change. change. Because if I have already drawn scale by scale, stuff by stuff, I'm not going to do that again. Why would I do that again? I'm going to use this drawing as example for all the next dinosaur artworks that I may do. Maybe only for the face, maybe only for the chest, or any other specific area. But this is going to be forever and ever my reference, so I never ever get lost again. You're gonna notice that the more you draw, the more you create an art piece that you have surpassed yourself, the more you are going to have a safety net that is going to grab you and not let you fall down again, because it's there for you, always there for you. Like, hey, you don't remember how scales work anymore? That's fine, you can just go and check your own artwork how you did, and then you start observing your artwork, and the time that you're spending there just observing, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you go and remember how you did it, you go and remember how you struggle to make that happen. And that struggle, it's all real, it's all part of the big process of being an artist, which I do love. And if you're here, you probably love too. This artwork I enjoyed a lot doing, since we could see the band, how powerful the T-Rex was, and also the people enjoying, just like, hey, I'm your fan, I'm your biggest, dearest fan, I love you, let's go rock and roll. I listened to some good heavy metal while painting this piece, because I really like to get into the mood. I don't know about you champs, but I love when I'm doing a piece with a very specific emotion, I love getting into that mood. As example, if I'm drawing a lovely dovely piece of a couple, I will like to listen to 100, 200 songs of pure romantic songs. But what if I'm drawing something very creepy? What if I'm drawing something very crazy? That's right, only for like 10 minutes I'm going to listen to creepy stuff, because I cannot handle creepy stuff. No, I like only cute, funny, and motivational and fights. Yes, that's right. I used to love horror. I used to love that type of crazy stuff, but my heart just said no after too many years of abusing, of sniffing very hard horror stuff. So no. But let's keep focused into the conversation. I was making the silhouette of this character so much reinforced. Like every single place, almost every single place of this character, I felt like, hey, you're gonna be receiving a ring light here, because the floor is red, and because there's light behind you, and because there is light to your side. I was just creating out of nowhere, because I just felt like, hey, I wanna see more of your arm, I wanna see more of the silhouette of what, that's right, your torso, your abs, your glutes, your feet, all of the body parts that I felt like, bro, people should see more of it. People should look at it and go like, oh, okay, that's his body, that's not the background. Like huge stonks, huge happy moment, and that's fantastic. I want to keep on making things that create contrast, that have strong colors, and I'll keep on adding those crazy strong colors. So going even further beyond, how did I get it from having a base into setting up all the scales? That's right, I look it up at dinosaurs and crocs, alligators, and I was studying how it worked for them. And there's a very simple technique that I call creating a web. You know those spider webs, how they have patterns? That's right, I create a pattern in the scales. I didn't draw square by square, that would be crazy. I did lines that they connected with each other, just like how a spider builds its web, and that's how we got all of those crazy detailed scales. And a thought that I keep to myself whenever I'm painting scales, it's going to reflect, like it's going to reflect a lot, not just a little bit. So make sure that any light that is close to the feet, to the torso, to the legs, to the arms, any part of the body, is it close to a light? Yes, so just add a reflection into it, and if not, just make it very dark with an airbrush, let it get free, and rum all the way so nobody can see those damn details. And on purpose in this artwork, I did something. I did not give the same amount of details in the scales for the whole body. That would be crazy, that would be nuts. Why? Because the face, the chest, the abs are much more important than the very bottom area of the leg that is far behind. you know? That's something that we gotta keep in mind when drawing. We may want to detail everything. We may want to make this our ultimate masterpiece. And as an artist that love detailing, I gotta tell you guys, no, you don't detail everything the same level. Even if you're a crazy artist that love detailing a lot, you're gonna sit your butt in the chair and say, no, I will stop here in this area because I understand that it's going to steal the attention from the main point. Focus into doing a nice gradient on places that you're not going to detail that much. That's important. Have you ever thought about it, huh? Well, I'm in love with this piece. It literally bursted. It was burning on Twitter when uploaded, like more than 6,000 likes. I was like, whoa, people really love it. So thank you guys so much for enjoying this art piece. I truly love it. So tell me in the comments what you think about it. I enjoyed every single second of trying again the lights, erasing. I erased so many times the light. I was searching so much about how to get a nice light. So if you're feeling stuck, just keep on walking, because even if it's just one person, I know you get better just by not giving up and just by keep on trying, just being patient with yourself. Champs, if you want to learn to draw with me or you want to see this artwork full process, zero speed paint, full real life speed, you can just click link in the description for my art course, art platform with the artworks that I draw just like this one. All the love, all the peace, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye!